Wordle is a word cloud generator which basically creates a poster with words. There's no need to register, so you can start using it right away. Just click on Create and type the desired words. In this case, we are going to type words for numbers. Then click on Go. If you get this pop-up message, accept. Here we are presented with different options. Edit option. If you make any changes to it, you can undo or redo the changes. Language, you can remove certain words from certain languages if you have them. You can change the font. You can change the layout of your poster. You can choose all the words to appear in alphabetical order. You can change the color patterns also. Here you have a randomize option, which will create a random version of your poster. Then if you're happy with, let's say, this design, but you want all your words to appear horizontally, then go to the menu on the top and then choose horizontal from the layout option. Once you're happy with your poster, then you can save to public gallery, and the site will give you a link that you can share with other people so they can access that poster online. Perhaps a more interesting option is to keep the poster by using, for instance, the snipping tool from Windows. Then you can frame the area, and then you can save it, or you can copy paste onto a slide on PowerPoint, for example, and then you can edit this poster by making it bigger if you want to. You will see that some words appear bigger than others, and that's because I typed them. I typed the word 5 twice, and I typed the word 2 3 times. So the higher the frequency of the word in the original text, the bigger it will show on the word poster. Also, you can grab text from another source, a digital source, a document, a website. Let's go to the BBC Learning English site. Let's click on this article and let's grab the text, the short article there, by highlighting it, right-clicking on it, choosing copy, and then let's paste the text here. Click on Go, and here's a poster. Let me randomize it. I'm not happy with this design. I'll take this one.